Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, Flood Escape video, and today we're going to be playing some Flood Escape. Well, yeah, um, just saying that's my sister in the shower. Yeah. Okay, let's get right into it. It's insane. Who are we going to spectate? I can't even pronounce that. Guava? Hurry up! I think we've gone into a noob server. Yep, I think we've gone into a noob server. Because everyone's gonna die. I don't want to play with a bunch of noobs. Like, come on. Don't want to mess this one up. Good. Is no one gonna get this one? Fine. I'll get it. I'm probably gonna die though, because I'm so glad at Flood Escape. They've already got it! Wow, that was a bit weird. There's only one person. Jump in the water, you stupid lady. Boo! Boo, you suck, you suck, you suck, you suck! I'm only saying this because she's doing this and she's not jumping in the water so we can have a dad. Finally, she died. I'm happy. Like, really happy. Oh shit. Dun, 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 dun. Oh god. Oh god. What? I need to meditate on this. Yep, let's go meditate. Why is our head spinning over like that? I didn't buy that emote. Oh no, it's the hardest map in the game. It's the hardest map in the game. I'm actually gonna die. No. The right lava coming up. Yep, it's right there. Don't worry everyone, we're all gonna die. Wait, last time, thanks to Cool Pies, he showed me where to go. It's up here. Oh. Okay. Why does no one know how to do? This one's the worst map in the world. It is like legit the worst. If you guys don't know, Cool Pies. You guys gonna get the button, or am I gonna have to order a pizza? Do you want something? I'd go with the pizza one though. Like, dude. Pizza's raw. Why is it glitching a lot? It's being like glitching. Is someone gonna get the button? Good job, mate. You're good at getting the button. I'm spinning my head off. I don't even know that we had that amount. Can I buy this? No. Oh, we're already in the match. Oh, I know skipping this map. So guys, if you play Flood Escape, you can come over here like this. If I can get on the cactus properly. You can come over here like that and go like that. It's a cool skip. Cool Pies knows like 1,000 skips. So, yeah. Oh, yes! I've never actually made that before. Where do we... Oh, I've never won this map. I jinxed myself. Just as I say that, yeah. Kind of messes up like straight up. Soon I'm going to be bringing a lot of new games to the channel, guys, like Fortnite. Everyone loves that. Or Season 9 is pretty bad. You guys will probably have opinions, but in my opinion, Season 9 is trash. So, maybe play a little bit, probably not much though. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this button. I was getting the button and I'm a good boy. No. What the heck? Why did that just zoom up? How are people still alive? Oh, he's gonna die now. The other guy's probably gonna survive. Is he? Yeah. I think this guy's really good at it. Oh, no, he could die, he could die. I think he's going to die. Like, that's just what I think. Like, dude, look at this guy. What is he doing? Oh, I get it now. Okay, the next one is going to have to be our last one, I'm afraid. Okay, let's do this. Shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. Howdy, I'm a cowboy. toy. Spin, spin. Bullet, bullet, gun. Can we buy anything yet? No. I'm just gonna save up for it. What's this? Oh, that's the relax. Oh, that sucks. We're underneath the ruins. Oh, guys, this is gonna have to be our last map because you guys. Fine, I'll go get the button. Never mind, other people get me. Thank goodness for them, all would be toast. Legit. Pow! I'm an idiot. Like, I'm such an idiot. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that like and subscribe, hit that notification bell to not miss any video. Bye!